It's 6:15 in the morning and I'm gonna get ready for work. I'm gonna go get in the shower and figure out what I'm gonna wear today. It's Thursday. Yay, the week is almost over. I have yesterday's vlog uploaded. It's processing right now, so I will hopefully try and get that made public before I go to work. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for work. There's that noise again. Seriously? It has to be my neighbors. And I'm like thinking, it's 6:30 in the morning. Why are you making a bunch of noise at 6:30 in the morning? Seriously. Hey guys, so I'm on my way to work and I'm running a little bit late. Normally I would be there by now. I mean, will be on time because I go to work early. Yay, I was able to get to work in time. And I'm gonna wear these earrings. They were hanging from this metal thing and I keep on forgetting to bring them inside. So I figured the best way to have me remember to bring them inside is to wear them. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go in to work. I have my hot cocoa and yeah, I'm gonna go into work. Hey guys, so I'm on my lunch and just eating my lunch. I didn't like what the kids were having today, so I just went and got a $5 lunch. I know I need to quit buying these things. They're so unhealthy, but they're so good. I didn't get a burger this time. I got chicken strips this time. So I'm eating sort of quote unquote healthier. I decided to eat out in my car today because I was just feeling kind of claustrophobic being inside. It's been kind of a crazy day. I've been in the older toddler classroom today because, like I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, that the teacher, her assistant called in again, so I am her assistant today. And anyways, it's been kind of crazy because today again we're understaffed again. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly eat and yeah. Just finished my lunch and now I'm gonna go back inside and get back to work. I'm on my way to the school. When I got back from my lunch, I just did somebody's 10 and did laundry. Like basically what laundry is I just go around to each room and collect all their dirty laundry, because to wipe our tables and stuff, we use washcloths instead of, come on, pedestrian. We use washcloths instead of paper towels to wipe the tables and stuff, so we go through washcloths pretty quickly. So I go and collect all the laundry from each room and start the washer so that way they can be put into the dryer later that night or the next morning. Like I mentioned earlier, I had a pretty late lunch. I went on my lunch pretty close to 1 o'clock. I got back up at almost 2, and I need to be at the school at 2:10, 2:15, so, and actually it's 2:18 right now. Work has just, like I said, been kind of crazy because we were kind of understaffed today because we had one teacher that called in, which I mentioned in yesterday's vlog, like I mentioned. We have the teacher that's on maternity leave. We had one person that had the day scheduled off. We had one teacher that had a scheduled lunch, and she had a longer lunch. And I think that's it, but it's just been super, super crazy. I'm glad that the day is pretty much almost done and I can go home after this and get some other things done at home. Okay, so I'm gonna go meet the kids. The bell hasn't rung yet, but it should be ringing any second now. So I just dropped off my first group and it is super windy right now. We've been having a little mild windstorm and the gusts have probably been up to about maybe 15-20 miles an hour or so, but it's obviously making outside really, really cold. Here, hold on. I didn't know if you could see that, but yeah, like I said, the gusts have been up to about like 15, 20 miles an hour. So, like I said, even though it's not a strong gust, it's still windy enough that it's making it really cold. But anyway, I have yesterday's vlog finally made public, so that is linked below. So go ahead and check that out. I'm just going to work on today's vlog while I'm in between van runs. See how gusty it is right now? Randy. It was blowing even harder a few minutes ago, but jeez. So I got the vlog all the way edited up until this point, so yeah. It was really funny. Like a few minutes ago, the gusts were really strong that it was kind of rocking my car a little bit. Not a whole lot, but it was still kind of rocking my car, and I was like, dang. But anyways, I have to go meet the kids in a little bit, but yeah, it's crazy, the wind. Hey guys, so that was a very interesting few minutes before the van run, or my second van run. Marie and I kind of got into a little argument, and so I just told her, I was like, look, you know, I'll call you when I get off work and when we both have had a chance to calm down. It just was just kind of frustrating. But anyway, van runs were actually not bad today. My second group did pretty good. My first group was just, sorry, Maria ended up calling me. But like I was saying, van runs were pretty good. My second group was actually pretty good today. And my first group, they did okay. A couple of them were kind of being a little frustrating, but that's okay. But anyways, I'm on my way back to work. So this is my roommate and my dinner. We just made some awesome salads. I have no idea what that is because we don't have anybody above us because we're on the third floor, and our neighbors are a good ways away from us, so I have no idea what the heck that is. It seems like somebody like sawing into the wall or something, but I have no idea what the heck that is.